guys, I thought I'd share this with you. This is one of kind of my favorite dishes. It's ham hock with potato and cabbage. It's almost done, but I don't eat all that fat on there. But I like this, you know, when you boil the ham hock, it tastes so good. Just the water, I mean the potato and cabbage is good enough, but I'm happy I got some of the meat. Not too much. And then I'll be doing the egg rolls. I got these from Costco, and this is my last. This is one of my favorites too. Is egg rolls, lumpia. Yeah, it's about 2:31 and I'm finally eating. I'm not much of a breakfast girl, but yeah, so that's gonna be my lunch, and then some vinegar. Sweetheart, it's just a rainy day in Hawaii, so we got that going on. I love it when it rains. Hi, sweet pie. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Come here, sweetheart. Come. You have your food over there. Howdy, partner. Right here. Get it. Hi. Skelly. Hey guys, so I am just cooking some steak and onion. This is a flank. I'm not too sure how that tastes or if it's soft here, but I'm gonna test it out tonight. And then of course I'm just gonna have some rice with that. And this is some good stuff to the daikon. You guys gotta have this with your rice. And then let's move over here. And then we're gonna put the furikake onto the rice. Right there. This is some good stuff too. You know, it's like seaweed, nori. It's really good. On top of your rice with some shoyu on your rice. Oh no. Boom, we just put some shoyu. We have our own. Oops, that's a lot. So we just put some shoyu on top of the rice. And then you're gonna put some of this furikake. You don't have to put a lot, just some. And then I'm gonna put some steak on top, and then the daikon. My plate with the daikon. Oh no, let's go and test this without hot pot. Okay, so that's my dinner for tonight, guys. See you later.